Okay. The only explanation is I'm still asleep, dreaming that the house is flooded. What the...
Oh my God, this is horrible. How did this happen? Only, I don't like where the painting is.
Maybe you're upset about something else. Are you hungry? Why don't you make some pork chops?
Perfect. Wait, no, it's not. Try again. No, what's the difference? See? When you listen to me, we make a great team. Well, it's almost like I can hear the ocean. I guess we're both at fault. In a way, that's refreshing.
You want me to apologize anyway? I'd be happy to.
Oh, no thanks, sweetie.